So angle UVI, this one right here, we're going to look at it in red. We're going to go from U to V to I. So right in here is 110 degrees. The IVW would be from here to here to here is 22 degrees. Okay. They want you to find UVW, which is this one here, which is the whole thing. So you would take 110 plus 22, which is 132 degrees, and that is the answer. Okay, and number 3, we've got a straight line with this little guy coming out of the bottom like that, and this is H, G, A, and I. What do you know? All right, GHA is which angle? Okay, so GHA measures 46 degrees. And AHI is this one right here. Everybody know that? Is 130. So what does the angle GHI measure? This guy right here. What does he measure? So we add those together, and 46 is 176. So in this case, is that a straight line, IHG? So IHG is not a straight line, because if it was, it would measure 180 degrees. So the x plus 85 goes on the RMN. So that's the bottom angle, the bottom acute angle. The x plus 62 goes the green one at the top angle. And the 133 is the whole thing. So if I'm going to set up my equation, what am I going to set up? So you put x plus the two little pieces add up to the big piece. And I'd like to combine things first, but you can do it any way you want. Just watch your math. So you've got x, 2x, x plus x is 2x. 85 and 62 is 147, I believe.
Yeah.
Equals 133. And then you're going to say 2x equals, and that's 14, negative 14. And then I divide by 2. So x equals negative 7. It's negative 7. If you put 7, you would. So we're going to check our work. We're going to plug in that x plus 62. So negative 7 plus 62 is 55. And negative 7 plus 85 is 78. And 55 plus 78 is 133. So that is a good answer. All right. So the red one I'm going to put right here. Well, it would be nice if I turned it to red, right? 28x minus 3. So 136 is going to be this one, because it's the whole thing, TUV. And so FUV is going to be which one, Henry? It's going to be this bottom one right here. So the two pieces equal the whole. We're going to set up the equation, 28x minus 3 plus 18x plus 1 equals 136. 28 and 18 is 46, I believe. Minus 2. So we're going to do 46x equals 138. And I believe that x is 3. All right? Good. Some people on their homework, the last time we did the segment addition, on these last ones, they forgot to plug it in somewhere. They did get x equals 3, but if we're finding FUV, we're finding this green angle right here from F to U to V, so we're going to plug it into there. So 3 times 18 plus 1. 18 times 3 plus 1. So it's equal to 55.
It's not 55, it's
So measurement of angle FUV equals 55 degrees, and that's the answer to that question, not x equals 3.